Most traders completely miss moves such as this one. And the crazy part, this move took less than 5 minutes to spot. No complicated indicators, no 20 confirmations, just one clean setup. A setup that keeps catching massive moves again and again. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I find these entries before the move starts. Let's go ahead and begin with the rules of our strategy. And while in previous videos, which if you haven't watched, go ahead and watch them now, I had shown you a more simplified version of this strategy. In this video right here, I'm gonna add a single rule which is going to significantly increase your winning percentage. Again, the strategy is going to take place on either the 5 or the 15-minute time frame, and you don't need to look at any other time frame, and it does work on all assets. But for this example right here, I am on Nasdaq, I am on the 5-minute time frame, and I see that we are moving in an uptrend. We are making higher highs and higher lows on the 5-minute time frame. That's it. I don't want you to go ahead and look at any other time frames besides the 5 or the 15-minute time frames. Now, once you have done that, you will be expecting some form of liquidity to be grabbed. Such liquidity could be this low right here, or it could be this clear low right here, or even this one or this one all the way down here. Now we'll go ahead and I will proceed with price action, and we will see if we will be entering a trade and why. We can see straight ahead that we have grabbed both of those liquidity points right here, this one plus this one. You are only gonna be looking for buys, as I told you. Now let's proceed a little bit more, and here is our setup. It has already been formed. Now, in order to not confuse you, what you will be looking out for, you will be looking for an inversion fair value gap. What is the inversion fair value gap? In this occasion, right here, if I take you 2 steps back, 10 minutes back, you see that we have created a bearish fair value gap. This is our bearish fair value gap right here. Now you will ask me, are we gonna use that one, Chris, for shorts like that? No. You will be waiting for some grab of liquidity, and then you will be waiting for a body of a candlestick of either the 5 if you are on the 5-minute or the 15-minute if you are on the 15-minute time frame to penetrate this FEG on the opposite direction. Now that we have seen the penetration on the opposite direction, you will be taking your trade instantly right here with a stop loss below this candlestick that penetrated the fair value gap, and now this has been created as an inversion fair value gap. As I told you with our previous strategy, you will be targeting at least a 3-to-1 reward to risk. And I want you to target at least a 3-to-1 reward to risk, especially with this approach right here, which adds the extra confirmation of the liquidity being grabbed. And if we let the trade play out, your trade would be looking something like that. You have already hit the take profit. But here you might say, Chris, I see yet another example which you are not showing. It has developed immediately after this example which has gone. And which is our other example? Let's leave it like that. If I take you a step back, and if we proceed together, we are still in an overall uptrend right here, correct? What is my most recent liquidity? It is this liquidity point right here. This is a proper low. It is lower than the low of the candlestick to its right and lower than the low of the candlestick to its left. And below that, another point of liquidity is this one right here. And if you cannot afford the mentoring, go ahead and join the Discord. It is absolutely free and you can learn everything there. And furthermore, if you are searching for a prop firm which offers both CFDs and futures, and you can trade those strategies that I'm teaching and I'm taking live in my Discord every single day, go ahead and check out Hola Prime. Hola Prime is a prop firm offering both futures and CFDs They are offering a variety of accounts and they have been awarded as the fastest payout prop firm and recently reviewed by Deloitte, and they have been proven to have an exceptional payout performance, paying 98.35% of their traders within the first hour after the withdrawal request. Use code ChrisFX for your maximum discount after clicking on the first link down in the description, or go to the other link down in the description and click on my Linktree, where you can find the link to the free Discord right here, and also to Hola Prime and the other prop firms that I'm advertising, for which you can also use code ChrisFX and get the maximum discounts in the market. Very important though that you will get your free access to my Discord. Go ahead and click on this first link right here where it says Discord Mentoring. Let's go ahead and continue with this second example. So we have highlighted our liquidity points right here, and what is remaining is for us to see if they are taken, plus to identify the lowest bearish fair value gap. The first liquidity right here has been taken, and we also have a bearish fair value gap right here. Again, beginners, don't get confused. You will not trade that like that, okay? You will be waiting for this fair value gap to be penetrated with a body of a 5-minute candlestick in this occasion, and we have seen the penetration right here, and you will be taking your trade with the market execution and the stop loss below the candlestick that penetrated this FVG and has turned it into an inversion fair value gap. You will be targeting at least a 3-to-1 reward to risk. There you go, here is our 3-to-1 reward to risk, and let's see how this plays out, or if this stops us out. Let's go ahead and proceed. And we win this trade as well. Isn't that fantastic actually? I thought we were gonna be stopped out at some point right here, and you see that eventually we won this trade. You do not touch those trades, you let them run. And you will tell me, Chris, if it is close to the market close, what am I doing if I'm trading futures? That's why you can accompany your futures accounts with the Hola Prime CFDs accounts, and you can hold overnight as I'm doing with my CFDs accounts. Use code ChrisFX, click on the link down in the description. Now, do we have something similar somewhere right here in the future, let's say, after those two trades? You could theoretically say, and this is what I don't want you to do, that we have grabbed liquidity right here, and then we have this last FVG right here, which got penetrated. So I can take, let's say, my trade here with a stop loss. I would place it below the inversion FVG, of course, in this occasion, and target 3-to-1. No, you will not be doing that because you don't like this intermediate move right here. You want to see an instant penetration of your fair value gap, of your bearish fair value gap in this occasion, which will turn it into an inversion fair value gap. Hopefully this strategy was pretty straightforward for you to understand, beginners and more advanced traders. Go ahead, join our free Discord by clicking on the first link on my Linktree, exactly right here. It will take you to WOP, and you can go ahead and enroll in the free Discord. Plus check out Hola Prime and the other fantastic prop firms that I have. Use code ChrisFX, support this channel, get the best discount in the market, and get in the Discord so that we can catch those fantastic wins together during the live sessions. This is gonna do it for today. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one.